Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to see about one activity which is related to know the boiling point of water. Okay. So for this activity, you have to take some water in a vessel and keep that vessel on a stove. Okay, see the picture like this. You have to take some water and keep that water in a vessel, and you place the water vessel on a stove, and you have to fix the thermometer now for finding the temperature of the water. For that you have to fix the thermometer just like that picture. Okay, so that all are fixed. Okay, now first you have to note down the temperature of the water. Before heating you have to note the temperature of the water. Okay, you noted. Now you on that stove, that is heating, you are giving that heat. Now the temperature of the water slightly increases, right? From that thermometer we can see that there is a increase in temperature. That also you can note. Okay, now you continue heating. When boiling water is heated for some time, the water continues to receive more heat, but at particular point its temperature does not rise further. Okay, at a particular point its temperature does not rise further. So note that point. So that point is known as the boiling point of water. So from that point that water boils and the temperature becomes stable. From that particular point that temperature of water becomes stable. After that there is no increasing in the temperature. It is a stable one. That particular point is known as the boiling point of water. Understand you, children? So first you have to take some water and keep that water in a vessel, and you have to place the vessel on a stove. Fix the thermometer which is as shown in the picture. First you note down the temperature of the water before heating. After that you start to heat that vessel. So now that the heat energy is produced, right? So that water, the temperature of the water increases. That also you note down. From the thermometer we can see there is an increase in temperature. From that that and all we can see through the thermometer. Okay, so at a particular point the temperature becomes stable. So that point is known as boiling point of water. So from this activity we can know two things. One is while heating any substance, okay, any substance, while heating the temperature of the substance will increase. That is one point we can know. Then the next one about the boiling point of water. So at particular point that water boils and the temperature becomes stable. That point is known as the boiling point of water. That and all we can know from this activity. So go through this activity once again. Okay dear, thank you.